Hello from Ekudden, Flaten, this spontaneous nude beach spot on this 19th of August 2026. Currently 5:30 p.m. and I don't see anyone here, neither on this side or on the other side of the lake, as it has been raining earlier today, but the weather has shifted quite quickly. And I am with a new haircut. As you can see, I just had a haircut here at Skarpnäck, and quite cheap for Sweden, 200 crowns. That is not so common, because usually for men the hairdresser is like between 300 to 600 depending on the place where it is, the salon, and the quality. Enough about that. 19 degrees Celsius in the air, and we're gonna find out in a bit how warm it is in the lake that is super clean. We come into times where the water is majestic. We have slightly sun, slightly clouds, as you can see on the sky, and I'm just so amazed how clean the water is, and I'm gonna be enjoying for sure in my swim here at Flaten. Beach the number 127 is today, and it's 19 degrees Celsius, so meaning that we have the same temperature in the air as in the lake Flaten. Okay, so let's then get going and go in for a swim in the lake, and let me know what you think of the haircut. I think it was much better than I expected for the price, so I'm satisfied. And yeah, I was okay with the hair in front, even though it was too long, but in the back it was so thick, so it was time for a haircut indeed. So yes, let's then take this natural stairways of heaven to heaven and go for a swim here. Oh my god, it's so amazing indeed. And we are ready for a swim. Ready, set, and go! It's amazing indeed, so beautiful. It's one of my go-to spots and not so known, meaning that you can definitely always be alone here in this beautiful nature. And did you see the horse in the beginning of this video? Pure nature indeed. Yeah, Flaten is definitely my favorite lake in the Stockholm municipality and region as well, for sure. So let's swim around, and hopefully the sun will reappear soon. I can see the sun on the other end of Flaten, so yeah. Cool. The school has started here in Sweden, and the timetable for the public transport has also been normalized. And yeah, I have stopped actually cycling. I'm using the public transport currently, and because it's also half price, but also it's not convenient now for when the temperature will drop soon. Yes. Yeah, the sun is reappearing, and greetings from Ekudden, Flaten, where I will be continuing with my swim. I'm gonna swim all the way to the other end and back, maybe 2 times also as well. With the sun back, it's time to wrap up this episode from this spontaneous nude spot. thank you so much for watching this episode with me, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel. Beach Adventure with Chris.